Ladies and gentlemen, he is stalking his prey. Every minute he is breathing very hard, expecting, to attack. He sits patiently, waiting, as he licks his lips, waiting for his dessert. Oh, and then there he goes. He tries to pounce to get his dessert. And his dessert says hello. Tank, leave him alone! You better not try to hump me again. That was gross. I think my shoe got some wetness.
I don't think it's a safe idea to get there. Go and record them.
Oh.
No. Miles, do what I ask you to do. Go take Tank. First of all, you didn't take him back out for a walk for a poop.
Gonna go take a duke.
If you tell me he won't